Your home should be an oasis, a place of personal peace and comfort. But you can't always see what makes your home comfortable. Pumps, pipes, wires, ducts, fans, and flames. We understand because we live in your communities. We're homeowners just like you, and know that by the time you uncover a problem, it's often too late. Golden Rule is more than just the patch on our shirts. It's a personal mission that drives our technicians and engineers every day. For a quarter of a century, we've proudly been Central Iowa's leader in home comfort. Join the family of over 12,000 Gold Club members by letting us provide fast and reliable plumbing, heating, cooling, and electrical services. Our mission is to protect and restore the comfort of your home just as if it were our own. Click or call us today to schedule your service or request a free quote. We look forward to the privilege of serving you and making your home the oasis you've always dreamed of.
Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome homeowner tips.